Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on your PlayStation account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in playstation.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official PlayStation website. Go ahead and choose your country and you will now be taken into the homepage. Now just click on the sign in button, which will then take you into the login portal. From here, click on trouble signing in and then underneath I forgot my password, click on recover your account. You will now be asked to enter your sign-in ID. Just enter the email address that you use while signing in and then click on the send link button. You will now be asked to check your inbox. So log into your email address and you will see the recover your account button within an email sent by Sony. Go ahead and click on it and now you will be asked to choose your method in order to verify your account. You may choose your phone number as well as your date of birth. After choosing either one of these, click on the continue button and then provide your date of birth or enter the verification code that has been sent to your phone. After completing this step, you will now be offered to create a passkey or create a new password. Choose either one of these options and now you will be allowed to choose your desired password for your account. After typing in your desired password, type it in once again for confirmation and then click on the OK button. And now you will be told that you can now use your new password to sign in. Click on the OK button and now you can simply use your email address along with your newly set up password to log back into your PlayStation account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on your PlayStation account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.